Nobody prepares you for when life hits you all at once. Not one problem, not two, everything. Bills stacking up, people switching up, plans falling apart. And in that moment, you start questioning everything. Your decisions, your purpose, even yourself. You ever just sit there in silence, trying to figure out where it all went wrong? No noise, no distractions, just you and your thoughts. And those thoughts don't come easy, they come heavy. You start replaying every mistake, every wrong move. Every time you trusted the wrong person. And it hits you. Maybe it's not them, maybe it's me. That pressure builds, slowly. Then all at once, you try to stay strong. You tell yourself, I got this. But deep down, you're tired. Tired of fighting. Tired of losing. Tired of pretending you're okay. And nobody sees it. Because on the outside, you still show up. You still smile. You still act like everything's normal. But inside, you're fighting battles you never told anyone about. But here's the truth. This moment, this exact moment you're in right now, this is where everything changes. Not when life gets easier. Not when people start supporting you. Right here, when you feel like giving up. Because most people quit here, they break here, they walk away here. But the ones who make it, decide this won't be the end of them. You don't need to have everything figured out. You just need to take one step, one decision, one move, one day at a time. You start small, you get up even when you don't feel like it. You show up even when it's hard, you push even when nobody's clapping. Because discipline will carry you when motivation's gone. And slowly, things start to shift. Not overnight, not instantly, but little by little, you become stronger than the version of you that almost gave up. Listen, you're not behind, you're not finished, and you're not weak for feeling like this. You're human. But what you do next, that's what defines you. Not your past, not your mistakes, not your lowest moment, your next move. So take a breath, reset, and remind yourself, you didn't come this far just to fall apart. You came this far to become something greater. Now get up and go handle your life.